Want to add realistic ragdoll physics to your Roblox characters? Let's use constraints to make it happen in under 90 seconds. Step 1. Prepare the character. Start with an R6 or R15 rig from the Explorer or Toolbox. Make sure all body parts are unanchored and can collide, set to true for limbs. Step 2. Add constraints. For each limb, like left upper arm, left lower arm, etc., insert a ball socket constraint. Set attachment to 0 and attachment 1 to the join attachment of the two connecting parts. Example, connect upper arm to lower arm. You can also tweak limits enabled and set it to true, and set upper angle for more natural motion. Step 3. Disable animations on death. When the player dies, stop the animation and enable Ragdoll. Use this script inside starter character scripts. Now your character collapses realistically when they die. Full Ragdoll style. That's constraints in action on Roblox. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.